this is Mehzabeen and you're watching my channel Timeless Foodie. I hope everyone's doing good at home. So today I came up with a simple yet twisted potato chips recipe with my secret masala in it. And please also do watch my video till the end because I put the secret recipe video, and hope no one's gonna miss the secret masala recipe. So without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, we'll take potato and peel them. You can take the potatoes according to the quantity of the chips you want. Then we need to slice them thinly and soak them in salt water for half an hour. And this way we can remove starch from the potatoes. You can use this kind of slicer to slice the potatoes thinly. After soaking the potatoes for half an hour, it's ready for the next process. We need to rinse and strain all the salty water from the potatoes so that it is cleaned nicely. Then we need an unused clean and big towel like the one I have here. You can see. Then we'll place all the sliced potatoes at distance like this I'm doing here. Maintaining distance between the potatoes are as important as 2020 social distancing. Jokes apart, it will help drying the potatoes fast. You can place the potatoes something like this I did here. We need to do this process in batches according to the quantity of the potatoes. Now we'll take the other side of the towel and place it over the potatoes. Cover all the potatoes well. Now all we need to do is just pat the potatoes from outside to dry out the remaining water in the potatoes, just like I am doing here. Just check in between whether the potatoes are dried or not. No, they are not dried yet. Need some more patting. After patting the potatoes for a minute or two, my first batch is dried. You can see. No water is left on the slices, you can see. It's all dried out. Now we'll do the same process with the remaining potatoes. Now all my sliced potatoes are dried well, and transfer them into a flat plate so as to keep them dry until they are fried. Now in a hob or any non-stick pan, preheat the oil. Put a slice to check the heat. If the slice starts floating on the oil, that means the oil is ready. Then we can put the rest of the slices in batches. Remember to put one slice at a time to avoid sticking. Stir and turn them upside down after every few seconds so that the slices are cooked from all the sides. You can see the slices are turning golden. We need to fry them until they are turned golden brown. And here my first batch of chips are ready. Now follow the same process for the remaining potato slices. After frying, put the chips onto a tissue paper to soak the excess oil. The frying process is over and all the chips are fried and ready. You can see how crunchy and crispy they turned out, just like the chips we get from the market. And now comes the secret masala. Now comes the final masala sprinkling process. Sprinkle masala according to your taste. Mixing time. Mix all the masalas well so that the chips get coated evenly. Mix, mix, mix. Ta-da! My secret masala chips is ready. You can see how the chips turn out to be so crunchy. So do try this recipe at home and see me in the comment section whether you like the recipe or not. Hey, it's not the end. The secret recipe is yet to reveal. So let's get to the next part. The ingredients of masala are 1 tablespoon fennel seed, 1 tablespoon coriander seed, half tablespoon cumin seed, half teaspoon pepper seed, half teaspoon thyme or ajwain, dry chilies, black salt and white salt. You have to take it half proportion. That is, I took here black salt half teaspoon and white salt half teaspoon. After taking the ingredients, we'll mix all the ingredients and dry roast them until they leave their aroma. After dry roasting, leave the ingredients to cool down. As soon as the ingredient cools down, grind them and the masala is ready. Like we Indians say, potato goes with almost every veggies. The same way this masala works. You can sprinkle it over your every possible favorite savory dishes. So you can prepare it in a bulk, store it in a dry container, and it will last for a good year or two. Here are some tips and tricks that I would like to share with you guys. Number 1, do not slice a potato with heavy pressure, otherwise your slices will be thick and your chips won't be crispy. Number 2, do not fry the potatoes in a high flame, otherwise the chips will burn. I hope you liked my video. If you did, please do like, comment, share my video. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please do subscribe it and also hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. See you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care, stay safe.